Bro. Your breath is stinky.
Alright, you doing too much. Nah, this nigga cap because I'm
Bro.
alky.
That shit, bro, his breath smells so bad, like the sewer, like fish, bro. Like, bro, you need a gum or something. Brush your teeth, bro. Like, when I'm talking about that shit stink, bro, that shit stink up the whole motherfucking house right now, bro. Bro, that's breath stink like a motherfucker, gang. Nah,
You know what's crazy? That's coming from a chop ass nigga though.
alright, bro. Alright, bro.
Hey, can we get the diamond test real quick?